how to check if it is cooked. So I will show you guys how. In French, this is what we call a confiture. So basically, this is just a fruits and a sugar. Now, how to know if it is cooked? It's not bowl. This spoon. Now, wait a minute. Let's get something. We'll do it in the light, under the light. So that's our jam. What do you think? It is cooked or not cooked? Now, how to check if it is cooked? So we will bring this one there in the light. So that we could check correctly. So what we're going to do to check if it is enough, I will show you how I check it. If it creates a line, that would be enough. So the line, it goes like that. So it can create a line, guys. It means you can stop it. But if you want to make it a little bit longer, that would be nice. It is already caramelized. Can't you see? There is now a mark. So if you don't have much time to wait, then that would be fine. You can stop it and you can use it. That will last already for a month. But if you want to last it like a year, you have to cook it a little bit longer. So that's how I test it. That's how I test my jam, if it is already cooked. And to avoid as well spillage, you have to make sure your receptacle is clean. So you have to sterilize it if you can. Make it clean to avoid bacteria. So this is our jam, guys. And this is perfect for the bread. Can you see? So this is our jam. Can you see? It makes a mark. Try to put like that. It's really citribong. But if you want, you can make it cook a little bit longer. But if you want to see, guys, we have already here the the homemade confiture. So this is homemade, guys. We have apricot, we have a prawn. So those are homemade, and this is the fruits. This is the fruit we have there. So can't you see how abundant is the universe? And that is perfect for our homemade bread. So our homemade bread, guys, this is not the usual bread that we used to make. Because I'm using different flour in this bread. So this is our bread, guys, today, and we use different flour. This is a kind of brown bread. Now the flour have kind of cereal in there. So I was able to cook this one this noon time. So the flour of this one is a bit challenging if you are not good to make bread. This flour of this one is a bit challenging compared to the other flour. This is a kind of healthy flour, brown flour. So this is so delicious, and we will pair it with our homemade jam. So this is it, guys. So delicious. So the if you want to know the recipe of this one, we will do it next time. So if you want to last longer, make it caramelize more. Last a little, but that one is okay already. Once it makes a mark on your spoon, like that, that's already fine.